have sources which say he was here today.
That's a lie. This part
If it's a JP who says that, you still say it's a lie.
is inaccurate.
Ashley, just stand up. Just take the oath there. Just take the oath because they say somebody's lying. Hey. You know, when did you shoot this gentleman? Yes? I don't want to testify to that. But you saw him. Okay, fine. Somebody saw him today in the precinct.
It's fine, I'll just close it like this.
Yeah, fine. Maybe the brigadier could have better information. Your sources, you don't have sources.
I do have it. I do. But I think it will cause a little bit of uncomfortability with the defense. So I'm fine the way things are, my lord. So I'd rather not go there.
Okay, let's come back tomorrow then. Okay, thank you. Yes, Mr.
Tamotloing in hot water with the Black Lawyers Association.
Is this how black lawyers, maybe we should just tell the truth. Is this how black lawyers behave? Some of them, maybe I should qualify that.
The Black Lawyers Association then took offense over the remarks, requesting an audience with Mokgwatleng, who declined based on the ongoing trial. This morning, Mokgwatleng retracted his remarks.
Me, on reflection, and after some thoughts, I admit that my comments could be interpreted as intemperate, ill-advised, ill-considered, and offensive. And if that is the perception of the accused and their representatives and persons outside, even the public and the BLA, then I want to state that I unreservedly, without any conditions, withdraw the comments which I made in that Wednesday afternoon because of the events that played out here. And also, if I caused any offense to any person or organization, I also unreservedly apologize. And I also apologize also to the judge president of this division, Mr. Mlambo, and the DJP of this division, Mr. Aubrey Letwaba, and if needs be also the Chief Justice, the judiciary, my colleagues, and even the Judicial Service Commission.
The Black Lawyers Association is not commenting on the matter, but says it has written to the judge president.
Family, I'm back again. Let us talk about Judge Ratha and his team. When I say his team, I mean Baloyi, I mean Brigadier Kininda, I mean the guy who was sitting in front of him, who talked about Mngomezulu, that there was a rumor that Mngomezulu was seen in court. And we have to talk about the next day Mngomezulu's life was lost. After the judge has been mocking Mngomezulu, belittling him, Ubuntu, no humanity to him, as a judge, doing this kind of thing. He has been doing this even during the proceedings. We remember very well that Mngomezulu's client, because Mngomezulu was taking a certain approach on this case, the client was not financed so that he could bill, he would foot the bill for for the lawyer, Mngomezulu. But now that Mngomezulu is gone, now they want to give the aid that is constitutionally supposed to be given to anybody, no matter what crime you have committed in the country. When you need a lawyer, you don't have enough money to finance yourself. The government and the constitution of the country allows that you should be given a lawyer and financed by government, taxpayers' money. What is strange with this? Mngomezulu was a very honest and powerful lawyer who wanted everything to be on the table, no hide and seek. But he has lost his life. And it has cost his client and us who were watching very close the proceedings of Senzo Meyiwa's deleting. It is really disgracing in the way, the manner the judge has decided to belittle somebody or his colleague who was fighting for his life. He got sick, he was in court, and the judge knows about this. And he has been out for break. And he said he wanted the case to go on, not to stop. He was going to watch it online to prepare himself to come back and help his client when time comes for him to cross-examine Brigadier Kenenda. It didn't happen. And the judge, doing such a mockery of somebody who was fighting for his life in the hospital. And the judge does this in front of cameras watching him, not for the first time. Him doing this, belittling the defense, his colleagues, rubbishing them, calling them names, kissing his teeth, pointing fingers to them, saying whatever he likes to say to the defense. And Mlambo has been watching this. I can forgive Justice Maya. He has just taken that position. She has just taken it. I hope she will do what is right when she sees all this kind of shenanigans happening in that court. It's not only belittling Mngomezulu, but the judicial system of the country. When we talk about judicial system of the country, we talk about investors, because an investor cannot come to a country whereby it's a banana republic, lawless. This doesn't affect only Mngomezulu, but it affects the nation at large. Seeing a judge doing such thing in a high-profile case, the behavior of the judge, it's not a behavior that should be tolerated by Litwaba himself, the JP Mlambo. I hope Chief Justice Maya will take this and consider recalling back the judge. There's no justice for Senzo that will come out from that judge. He winks in the judge. He winks to the witnesses. He winks to the prosecutors. Every state witness, he has a connection with them. We don't know where they do the rehearsing, whereby they rehearse before that particular person come and be a state witness. It has been shown in a lot of videos, the judge doing all these kind of things. But Justice Mlambo never took any stand to recall this judge. What have we done in this country that we love so much? What is it that we have to do to get justice for Senzo Meyiwa? What should we do for the family of Senzo Meyiwa to get closure? Is it how our justice system should work in our country? Are we taken for a ride when we see the last hope that everybody in the country, when you feel cornered, it's where you run to. You run to the police because you know the justice system functions. But when we see this kind of things happening, and the next day the judge, he called everybody to stand up in honoring Mngomezulu. Was he doing it from his heart, or he was laughing, or still going on with his mockery of Mngomezulu? He mocked Mngomezulu a day before Mngomezulu died, making fun of it right in court. He insulted black lawyers. No action was taken. The same judge. What has our country become? We hope Justice Maya will take this to herself to remove this judge immediately, because the accused will not get justice. Because we don't know what is happening in this case. Eyewitnesses are talking about a gun that have a wheel But the gun that is presented in that court, it's a 9mm. It's not the gun that was seen by the eyewitnesses. What is really going on here? And witnesses, 205s for witnesses were in the house. Long as 205 is never displayed. And the others, Madlala and the other males, were in the house. We don't see their 205s. Hlope, who is a brother-in-law to the Senzo Meyiwa, got a call immediately that Senzo has been shot. And he took the evidence to the police, and the evidence kept missing. And Mngomezulu was always challenging that until he loses his life. How many people are going to die in this case before the Meyiwa get closure? Because a lot of lives have been lost in this case. And those were people who had evidence that was going against what is being put to these 5 accused. Eyewitnesses have lost their lives. We have got 2 cases, 375 and 636, of the same scene of crime. One says there were no intruders, and one says that is in court there were intruders. But the evidence from the eyewitnesses who were in the house is not used in the 636 case. What is that? We should tolerate that. And the judge seemed to be in the same pot where all this is being cooked. There's no judge I've ever seen in the country who winks to witnesses, who mock the defense. It is first of its kind that I've seen a judge and who does this and insult black lawyers and get away with it. For how long should this happen in our country? I rest my case there. Anyone can give an opinion on what you see in the video. Let's keep fighting for Senzo Meyiwa's justice and the family to get closure. Ngiyanithanda nonke ngothando luka-love. Nithi kini bantu bakithi asiqhubekele silwe. How can Mngomezulu go down this way and being mocked by the same judge, making fun of him, belittling him while he was fighting for his life in the hospital bed? May he rest in peace. Bravo, bravo, bravo.